Good day everyone, and especially to you ma'am. My name is Annabel Gamali from Base OA 3A, and this video I will share my common workplace conflict that I chose, um, and how I would personally resolve the situation. The conflict that I choose is there is a scenario my college and I are attending our weekly team meeting. So we're discussing which marketing plan to use for our upcoming project. The problem is that we strongly agree. My college believes that their solution benefits both companies involved, while I believe that my idea gives the client the greatest advantage. So the conversations becomes tense and we both frustrated. So I the resolution to this conflict is I would start the calming discussion and suggesting that we make a step back, and I would say something like let's pause for a moment. Then I think both our ideas have value, so let's try to understand and each one clearly, and I would listen to my collage idea in calm and organized way. And so after that, I would suggest we focus on what matter most, the client's needs and the project goals, not our personal preferences. And we could compare both um, proposals and check which parts can be combined to create a stronger balance plan. So if we still struggle to agree, and I would suggest this asking our team to supervisor of an objective's opinion. So not to point out who is right, both, but to make sure we choose the best option. So in the end, open communication and respect help the disagreement into collaboration for both of us. Um, in this second video, I will discuss the conflict, and the second conflict that I choose, and how I resolve it. So there is a conflict that this situation I enjoy working with my entire team, but there are a few people I frequently disagree with. Before starting my new job, I only knew them outside of work, so I'm already familiar with their different viewpoints. Now that we work together every day, some of our part issues are starting to surface again, and I'm worried that these disagreements will affect my professional performance and our working relationship. So, my resolution for this conflict is I would start by separating personal issues from work related matters. I would remind myself that in the workplace, professionalism is more important than the past misunderstandings. So, next, I would talk to the people involved privately. That's important. So, I would say something like, I know we've had disagreements before, but I want to make sure it doesn't affect our work. I value what you bring to the team, and I want us to collaborate smoothly by acknowledging the past but focusing on the present. So I open the door for a healthier working relationship. So I would also set clear boundaries and focus on the tasks that given, not the personal opinions. If disagreements happen, I would deal with them calmly and focus on the finding solutions instead of proving off a point. So that's really important to be always calm when you talk, and if needed, I would also ask my supervisor for guidance. So, not to complain, but to understand to how to handle teen conflicts professionally by addressing the issue early and staying professional. And I can protect both performance and my relationships at work. So this is my second conflict that I personally resolved